Well, today I received a message that the Pinebook Pro with the ANSI keyboard is on its way. But today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Lenovo Yoga Smart Tab. And apparently it comes with a Google Assistant. Not that I really need that. I also have YouTube Premium, and after 1 year YouTube they offered me a free Nest Mini, and that is also the Google Assistant. Anyway, it's still in the plastic, and perhaps you can see there's one sticker here and one sticker also there, so that's there. And I'll use something sharp to get the plastic off. Now, oops. Oh, that's a bit harder than... Oh, those stickers are under the plastic actually. So it's not a real big issue, but anyway. Yeah. So you see the other sticker. Okay. The main reason for me to buy this tablet is because of its form factor, and this is also interesting. Can we just slide it out, or? Oh. Really interesting how this... there. So, like this. And you could say that this tablet is not able to lie really flat, because as you can see from the side, it has a bulge, and that also means that it has room for quite a serious battery. So you can just put it like this, and then it also has a built-in stand. I think you have to push this button, and then this thing, you can pop it out. Then you can put it like this, and then if you look at it from the side a little bit, then you can see that there's a little bit of room. Or you can put it like this, and it can stand just by itself. And yeah, if you're feeling really adventurous, you can put it like this, and then in theory you can hang it somewhere. So this is the 10-inch tablet. I already had a previous tablet, and let's see if I can fit them both together. So that is an 8-inch tablet, and that one has the Intel processor in it, and at the time Intel was really boasting that their processors were really faster than the Snapdragons or the other ARM CPUs, and I think they were able to show it with benchmarks, but in the end, for real day-to-day use, I don't know what really happened, but yeah, they were really slow. So what I'll do is I'll just try to start them both. So it has a button here. And this button went a little bit numb through the ears. Oh, that's nice. It doesn't want to switch on anymore. Ah, there it goes. So this one has a little bit of a head start, and let's see where. Oh, that's just speakers. So, yep. Then I guess, yep. So then here is the on-off switch for the new tablet. And the old tablet, it's running on Android 5, and yeah, now it's booted. And of course, 4 or 5 years between generations of tablets, then you can really see that things have improved. So if I just start YouTube on this one, it's not exactly fast. So yeah, whatever. Okay. So now I'm just adding my Wi-Fi network, and because it's some typing, I'm just doing it off screen. Well, I'm not really sure why it doesn't want to pick up my network. I've set it up as a hidden network, and perhaps that's... No. Well, I'm going to try to find out what's going on with the network, so I'll be back. Yes, for the time being, I just set up a hotspot from my phone. And bring your data from a, well, let's just say a backup from the cloud. I'll just remove this one. Okay, I'll just log in then. Oh, here we go. That's interesting, why it goes all of a sudden into portrait mode. Well, it's giving me options to restore also the apps, but then it wants to download 1 gigabyte of data, so I'm not going to do that. And that is actually the bulk of it all, and I only need the Wi-Fi passwords. Well, that's... nah. Okay. Well, now it wants to set up the Google Assistant. And it still doesn't switch back to horizontal mode. Well, as I said, I don't need the assistant for now, so I'll just say no thanks. And now it does switch back to horizontal. Anything else? No thanks. Just adding some more light so that the screen will stay bright. I don't need face recognition. And I also don't need a Lenovo ID. I don't need to set up Outlook. No. I think I'll stick with the classic modes. Okay, enter home screen. And here it is. So I assume so let's see. No thanks. There is my network. So I'm not really sure why the hidden Wi-Fi network doesn't work when setting up, but at least once you log in with your Google account, then everything is there. Now let's see. YouTube. And it's working. Hello, welcome back in 2020. Well, yes, this really the audio is also working. So I guess that's enough for now. I think most people know how Android tablets work. Well, if you do have a question, then that's fine too. And I'll try to answer it. So just leave a question in the comments if you want to. And the next movie or the next video, hopefully it will be with the Pinebook Pro with the NC keyboard. So hope to see you next time.